Hep hep. Hooray. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christina Umpauco, 21-year-old stunner who came all the way from the progressive city of San Fernando, Pampanga. And for tonight, I'm standing by in the name of the one and only, the girly girly, ang inyong Cossack girl, ang inyong happy yippee hey girl, Miss Mariel Rodriguez. Dahil pong salamat.
Thank you, Miss Mariel Rodriguez. Let's welcome our Nat and Natalie, candidate number 6.
To measure the goodness of a person, never measure his ways, but instead his heart. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Starting before you, a 23 stunner from Holy Angel University. My name is Mickey Garcia, one of the 5 prettiest in Pampanga. And for tonight, I'm stand by the name ang nag-iisang Diyosa ng ABS-CBN. Ang nag-iisang Philippine host ng Your Show, Your Time, It's Showtime. Mga kaibigan, sabay-sabay po natin palapakan si Binibini Ann Curtis. Once again, ito po si Miss Ann Curtis nagsasabi, bakit po nga raw kami mga bakla dumarami kahit hindi po nanganganya? Pues, isa lang po ang masasabi ko dyan. Hanggat may lalaking namamakla, may baklang mapipisa. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you, candidate number 6, Miss Ann Curtis. Let us meet again our 6 lovely candidates in their creative costume. Starting with candidate number 1. Candidate number 2.
trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? New York, London, Paris, Milan, Tokyo. I think it's in Japan. Asia, Malaysia, Las Vegas to play. LA. If you pay my way. Fashionista. How do you look?
Thank you, athlete number 1.
How do you look? Fashionista.
Let me call on candidate number 2, Miss Iwa Moto.
Fashionista. How do you look? Are you wearing Sean, John, Calvin Klein, Donna Karen's fashion line, Valentino, YSL, Ferragamo, and Chanel, Halston, Gucci, Fiorucci, don't forget my Gucci, Fendi and Armani, God, I miss Gianni, Kenneth Cole, Michael Kors, Mr. Ford, I can't afford, P&G and BCBG, looking good is never easy, Alexander Perkovich, Naomi Campbell, such a bitch. I wanna be Delgada to fit into my Prada. Oscar de la Renta, Louis Vuitton, imitation of Christ. Beauty has a price. Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista. How do you look? Fashionista.
Give her a round of applause to Miss Barbie Fortesa, our lovely candidate number 3.
The show is about to start. Places. The show is about to start. You have to show a look, have a look, or give a look. Faces. Beautiful. No one ugly allowed. Are you ready? Here we go. Fashion is the art. Designers are the gods. Models play the part of angels in the dark. Which one of you would ever dare to go against? That beauty is a trade and everyone is paid. Fashionista. How do you look?
Thank you, candidate number 3. Now, let's witness in our casual wear candidate number 4, Miss Beyonce Knowles.